Hello everyone, welcome to TechSolve. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Windows 10 by using USB drive. First of all, you need a USB drive which is minimum 8 GB storage available, and also Microsoft Media Creation Tool ISO for download Windows 10 from internet. Rufus tool for create bootable USB flash drive. For download Microsoft Media Creation Tool, go to this link. Now click on download tool now button and download Microsoft Media Creation Tool. For download Rufus tool, go to this link. Now click on Rufus 3.11 to download Rufus tool. I will give you the link in the description box below. After download complete, open the Microsoft Media Creation Tool. Click on the Accept button. Now click on Create Installation Media USB Flash Drive, DVD or ISO file and click on Next. Uncheck this option and click on Next. Choose which media to use. I am going to choose ISO and click on Next. Choose the download location. I will download it on my desktop screen. Downloading Windows 10. Progress 0%. It will take some time. Our ISO file is downloaded perfectly. Now click on Finish button. Our Windows 10 ISO is downloaded perfectly. Now I am going to use this tool for create my USB into bootable flash drive. I already plugged my USB drive into my PC. Now run this software as an administrator. Select Windows ISO file. Browse your ISO file. And click on Start button. Click on OK button. And it will make your USB bootable, and also it will take some time. Our USB device is ready, and now we can install Windows to using our USB drive. Click on Close button. Now I'm gonna set up my Windows. Let's restart our PC. After restarting, press on the delete button. Go to the BIOS feature option. Set boot option 1. Select USB disk in first boot option. Now press enter. Now press F10 to save the configuration. Or you can restart your PC and press F12. Go to boot option. Simply up and down with your keyboard, up arrow and down arrow, and select the USB disk and press enter. Now click on Next to install. Click on Install Now button. Right now I don't have any product key, so I'm gonna click on this option. Now select Windows 10 Pro. You can choose whatever you want from this. I'm gonna choose Windows 10 Pro and click on next. Check this box and click on next. Choose the custom option. You can go with your own partition. I'm going to repartition my disks. Delete all this partition now and create new partition. For create new partition, click on new. I'm going to keep 100 GB on my C drive. 1024 into 100 is equal to 102400. This is the main amount of 100 GB. Now I'm going to type this number on this option and click on apply. Click on OK button. Click to next. It will take some time. You can choose your country by scrolling up and down. I am choosing United States and click on the yes button. I want to keep my keyboard layout US, so click on US and click on yes button. Skip this option. How would you like to set up? I'm going to click setup for personal use and click on next. If you have any Outlook account, you can use this for now. Or if you don't have any Outlook account, you can create account by clicking this option, or you can go with offline account. I'm going to use my Outlook account. Click on next. Type your password. Click on next. Create a pin. Now type your pin. Confirm your pin. Click on OK. Click on the accept button. Click on yes. Click on do it later button. Backup your files with OneDrive. I'm going to select only save files to this PC. Click on no thanks button. Click on accept button. Our Windows setup is complete. So that's all guys. If you like this video, please like it and share this video with your friends. And yes, if you have any question, put this in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks.